So hey friends, welcome to another awesome video. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year 2023. So it's may this year be safe for us and full of success. So in this video we are going to know that how we can create an account in ChatGPT, which is a lot famous nowadays for its AI features. So actually it's an artificial intelligence website which is really very nice. I loved it. So without wasting any time, this video is also going to be a short video. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So first of all, what you need to do is you can open any browser. In my case it's Chrome. So I'll come in Chrome, and here I will open a new tab, and here I will just type chat.openai.com. As you can see, here it is. So when you will open here, see it's saying welcome to ChatGPT. You need to log in with your account if you have already an account, and you need to sign up if you don't have an account. It's a very simple process, friends. We have done many things of signing and all, so you can do it yourself. So I have already created an account, so I'm going to just do login. It's just a simple step only. So you can come here, you can go to Google also if you want. So I'll select my account. Okay, so that's simple. It's that much simple. You can come here. You can already see I have done many conversation with this chatbot. It's really very interesting. So if I say him that how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript, you can see here is a demo example. If I say it will also do that. So let's give a command of this. If I will say him, so you can see it's giving all the informations very quickly. It is an AI bot also. So it has given every detail. It also gives us the code, etc. You can see this is some code of JavaScript from which we can fetch an API. I'm not having much knowledge about JS, so it's something about JS. If I say here, suppose like, okay, let me create a new chat. I guess I will create here and I will type who are you. Let's just see what does it gives the response. I'm an assistant, a large language model trained by OpenAI. I am here to help answer any questions you have to the best of my ability. Is there something specific you would like to know? So it's a very nice bot. I loved it. So actually it's in a free version from December 15. It's in a free version for preview. So it is under development mode. So it is not made by the developers. When it will be completely made, then I guess there are going to be some plans of that it would be paid or free. So till then you can use it in this free version also. You can ask many questions to it also. Suppose if I ask, what are the best video editor for free? You can ask anything. It's going to give everything. You can see it's giving this also: Lightroom, Blender, DaVinci Resolve, etc. Every popular software. Let it give it answer. You can see it. If you are not satisfied with the result, then you can also click on this regenerate response. It will regenerate the response again and give a better one. So we can even ask him to create a window in Python or anything. So if I say please create a let's say quick enter GUI with a button in Python. You can see it will also means explain me, and you can see it's also giving me the code, which is really helpful. So you can see it's giving me everything. Yeah, that's a simple code for Python to create a simple what do we say, a simple GUI using with a button. So if we need to test the code, right, you can go here and click on copy, and you can come here and you can just search for like Python IDE. First of all, as usual, I will create a new document over here. I will save it first just for rough. Suppose main.py maybe. And here I will just paste the code which the AI given me. So now I will just run this code. Now let's see whether what I said is it correct. Is the source means is that correct? Yeah. So you can see ChatGPT just created me a GUI for me. So if I enlarge it a bit, see here, it's created me a button which does nothing, as I have said him to create a button. So it can do anything, man. It's really awesome. So you can see how artificial intelligence is just taking our place in everything, and it's making everything much easier. I hope that you like today's video, and you can also come here and clear the conversation. You can also switch to light mode over here. If I press, you can see it's the light mode version. I would like to be in the dark mode only. If you want to log out, you can also log out from here and update an FAQ. You can get over here all that stuff. So this is really awesome, and guys, I would say it just blowed my mind when I first logged into it, and it's very viral, pretty viral on the web. So I thought I should create a video on it. Hope this video would be helpful for you and interesting too. You can also go to OpenAI and say to do it anything. It can do anything really, but some things are there that it can do, like if I say that create a host a website for me, yeah, that's it cannot do. It's a complex work. So I hope that you like today's video. If you liked our video, then please like and subscribe to my video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and wish you all a happy new year 2023 again. Goodbye.